Good day guys, this is your tutor engineer. Today we'll be doing grade 8 mathematics paper 2 focusing on perimeters. So let's start with today's lesson. The diagram shows the circular cricket field with a center O and radius 70 meters. The batting pitch is rectangular with measurements 22 by 2 meters and is covered by a finer grass than the outfield. Give answers correct to nearest meters. So the first question is, at the start of every practice, the team has to run around the field 6 times. How much each player must run? Okay, so the first thing we need to calculate to answer this question is the perimeter. Since the players are running around the field, around the circular field. So the perimeter of a cycle is 2 pi times radius. We're given that the radius is 70 meters. So now the answer to the perimeter is 439.8 meters. And then since the team has to run 6 times around the track, around the field, we'll multiply the perimeter by 6, which will give us 2638.9 meters. This is how much they'll have to run, about 2.6 kilometers or so. Okay, so let's go to the second question. How much square meters of grass was planted over the field, excluding the batting pitch? So we'll calculate the greener part of this figure. So you'll calculate the area of the greener part of this figure rather. So the area of the cycle, meaning the field or the outfield, is pi times r squared so the answer here is 15393.8 square meters, and then the area of the pitch is a rectangle, so let's say AP for pitch, so it's 22 times 2, that is 44 square meters. So to answer the question, you'll say AF minus AP is equal to 15393.8 minus 44. The answer is 15349.8 square meters. So that's it for this question. So let's do the next question. So this question is saying calculate the perimeter of each of the following figures, a square of length 3 meters. So this square looks something like this, where each side is 3 meters. So the perimeter of the square, all 4 sides are equal, so you say 4 times 3, then you'll get 12 meters. And then for the second question, the perimeter of the rectangle with length 7.1 and breadth 2.3. So this particular rectangle looks something like this. This side is equal to that side, being 7.1 meters, and these two sides are equal, being being 2.3 meters. So the perimeter here is 2 times 7.1 plus 2 times 2.3. So the answer is 14,2 plus 4,6, which is going to be 18,8 meters perimeter. Okay, let's do question 3. It's quite similar. This side will be 11 centimeters. This one 3 centimeters. So the perimeter here is 2 times 11 plus 2 times 3. So the answer would be 22 plus 6, which is 28 meters perimeter. And then here, question 4 is the square with each side being 9 millimeters. So the perimeter would be 4 times 9, which is going to be 36 millimeters. And then for question 5, we first have to write the measurement of each side. This one is 8 meters, this one is 4 meters. The one there on top is 12 minus 5 minus 3, which is equal to 4. So that side is 4 meters. So now the perimeter will be the addition of all these sides, 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. So plus 3 plus 4. So the perimeter, we'll put all of these numbers on the calculator. So the perimeter is 48 meters. Okay, now let's do the second last question, which is a kite. In a kite, these two sides are equal, and then this angle is 90 degrees. So this side will be 26 centimeters. You can work this side out through a theorem of Pythagoras. It's going to be 108 plus 26 squared under a square root, which is going to be the square root of 108 squared plus 26 squared. So this side is going to be 111 centimeters. This one will also be 111 centimeters. And then we'll do likewise to calculate the side through a theorem of Pythagoras. (42,8 centimeters). This one will also be 42,8 centimeters. So the perimeter here is going to be the sum of all the sides, 111 times 2 plus 42,8 times 2. So the perimeter will be 307 1.6 centimeters. Now let's do the final question. It should be straightforward, this one. We have all the sides. We don't have one unknown side that we need to calculate. So the perimeter is just going to be the summation of all the sides. Which is 123 millimeters. So we've come to the end of our today's lesson. If you like today's lesson, please subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned on the next lesson. Cheers.